If you're someone who craves practicality with a dose of futuristic design, then the 2026 Honda Tucson is the SUV you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Auto Review's Garage, where today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about compact SUVs of the year. Let's find out why the all-new Tucson is making waves across the global market. Right from the first look, the 2026 Tucson turns heads. Honda has gone bold with this generation, introducing sharper LED lighting, a bolder front fascia, and geometric body lines that give the Tucson a far more athletic and modern vibe than ever before. The grille seamlessly integrates with the daytime running lights, giving it a spaceship-like presence at night. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's nothing short of premium. Soft touch materials, dual-screen digital displays, and a panoramic sunroof set the tone for a luxury-like experience in a compact package. Honda has included a 12.3-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the digital driver cluster is clean and highly customizable. The rear seats recline and slide, providing comfort that rivals larger SUVs. Cargo space is also impressive, with ample room for weekend gear, groceries, or luggage. Under the hood, the 2026 Tucson comes with a few powertrain options, including a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, a hybrid, and a plug-in hybrid variant. All are mated to smooth automatic transmissions, and the hybrid versions offer excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for those who want performance without compromising economy. The ride quality is refined, and with Honda's new adaptive ride control, the Tucson absorbs road imperfections with ease while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Safety has been a top priority too. The Tucson includes the full Honda sensing, Sweet Lane Keep Assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera system. It practically drives itself in heavy traffic. Whether you're a city driver looking for a tech-loaded daily commuter or a small family needing a comfortable and safe SUV, the 2026 Honda Tucson checks nearly every box. Honda has clearly stepped up their game with this model. That's it for today's review on Auto Review's Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews just like this.